we must pay homage to him.
Cheers, bro! Cheers, bro!
Not the engine bay.
Fresh paint, bro.
Bro!
Is that a compliment outside for Reverend having his car on?
No, we would hear it if he.
Bro, not feeling too good, bro. I hate this shit.
Ben's doing new springs.
Bro, what are you doing, bro?
Bro. How you get this out?
It's custom, bro. Okay, Ben's doing new springs in the back of the Corolla. Because it's too bouncy as is right now.
Oh,
So right now they're trying to get the springs out, and then we gotta go to the other Corolla and steal the springs.
No. See, respectfully, look. Your hair comes out of your fucking head, okay?
let's see yours.
I'm blowing those with lighter. Dalton, let's see yours. You got the fucking. Dalton's got the mullet going. I honestly went into that exam. All I needed was I think it was 1.4%. And
To get what? A C?
Yeah, to get 50. I hope I got it. That's all I'll say.
I needed 7%, and it's not looking good for me, so I don't know. I was fucked.
Cinematic.
Crazy mad.
Wow, that's a great cinematic, Cole.
Yeah, the movie Santa Claus, like the three of
You're
them.
really starting to piss me off.
You got fucking nut. Now you're touching your sack.
Australia's really hairy right now.
Ah, cool, man. Funny. Fucking shut the fuck.
Dalton, you give us the biggest sheesh off camera. Now you're not even gonna do it. You did not say that.
I always say that.
Well,
Say
where
it.
are your oven mitts?
I don't have any oven mitts.
Well, I need them.
Why don't you have
I
oven
need
mitts?
oven mitts.
Give me the reason.
Fuck, man. How did we miss that?
I have no idea.
Who heard it?
I did. He went right up to me and said it.
You look like you fucked your sister, bud. There, we can say that one, eh?
Yeah, we can do that.
Ben, give us a Canadian accent.
Ooh,
Yeah, right the fuck on you did, bud. Yeah, fuck yeah, alright.
There I was,
Adam,
fucking my Canada
let's
geese.
go get the pizza.
Fucking my gooses, eh?
Wait, are we eating in here or over there? Huh? That's Ben's cat.
He's me.
Oh, he's quick.
He's kind of slammed, eh?
Since like, yeah, it's like a Moist Boys vlog.
October, really?
Yeah, Ben just made these handmade, by the way. Why don't
You're not straining your pizza, what are you
Oh, she just rinse it off.
Yeah, dude, just rinse it off, dude.
Why is it fully vertical now?
It's like a blizzard. Yeah. This feels like a fucking.
I feel like we're at like a fucking
birthday party. It's like a birthday party in grade 8. Who wants cheese?
It's Dalton's birthday tomorrow.
Cheese? Who wants grape soda? Grape soda?
Say when, dude.
Okay, that's probably good for one piece. Thank you.
Holy fuck. Oh, he's ranching it up.
Ben, he's on steroids. Ben, he's on steroids.
Hold the cam. How much do we have to lift this?
He'll lift it, he'll lift it. Enough.
What a disappointing performance. Why the fuck are these 10? Is it because they're XL?
This is so gross. 10's on 240s too.
What is that?
It's the straw guy from the Wizard of Oz. Fucking Cole, what's going on?
Oh, mother cocker! We're putting these scratch side scoots on, bro.
That's cool, man.
I have 3M tape in that.
On your S14?
Yeah, bro. Bro, we need a drill.
Noah's
like high hundreds.
Noah's
Can you hold that
sperm
there?
count is fucking negative.
See what I mean?
No, I don't, bro.
Like this gap.
Yeah, that's because the
how it
back's
is.
not on. You fucking nimbus, bro.
No, they do have a gap like that.
When they're on?
Yeah.
Well, that's because you buy junk, bro. There you go.
There you go.
Bro, chill, bro. I gotta fit my ween in there, dude.
Pressure fit. You need to bolt it.
Cause this inner wheel well is
No, it doesn't make a difference. It's not flexible.
You look really cool.
Too long.
Can I show them what you look like?
How's he dancing?
Oh, that kid.
Oh.
Everything fits like shit, bro. But the whole thing goes.
It's fine, bro.
It smells like Giuseppe, man.
Why on the bottom?
Ben's burp was in there.
Yeah, I nailed that fiberglass.
Yo, can you ghost some of that fiberglass?
It's fucking go shit. What's going on here? Trying to fucking find some hardware for these things, man.
Hopefully no big...
What are you doing over there?
Oh, I feel it. I feel it.
Do you feel?
Maybe we can take it off.
All 3 inches.
Cut it.
Is that it?
You need to put another bolt in there.
From where?
The bottom of the wheels.
Can we zip tie it for now?
Wow, man. Are those long champs?
Yeah, bro.
The UFO long champ?
Huh?
UFO spec?
for your UFO, bro.
Yeah, dude.
What's on your finger, man?
I don't know, someone nodded on my fingernail when I wasn't looking.
Hey, show them the mounted one.
It looks so weird on the iPhone. Wow, cool, bro.
How smooth do you think this looks?
Dude, so smooth. I feel like the iPhone footage is almost better. Like iPhone 12.
Yeah, cool, bro. Fuck you, then.
I think it has to come out more in the middle.
Are you filming?
Yeah.
Bro.
Bro, wait. Look this way.
Bro.
Why's your ear look fucking massive like this, bro? Okay.
Should we try and drill that in really quick?
Fuck Aeroworks, dude. Absolute junk. Shit company, man. Don't buy from them. Don't even look them up.
Remember those weird spats when we bought them? And he's like, yeah, you just need to cut them from factory.
Yeah, they're on my car. I take them all.
Fucking junk, bro. Look at all those Morse boys. Equipment.
Equipment.
The only one
shit,
without
dude.
the equipment?
Yeah, cool, bro.
Where's your Moist Boys gear?
This piece of shit on my car that doesn't even fit.
Is that from Aeroworks?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't wait. I really can't wait.
That's sick, bro.
Doesn't even matter.
Bro, chill, bro. Chill, bro. Chill.
Well, this was a fucking shit day.
It wasn't your day. It was just cool besides
Well,
your
shit
first
for
day.
getting things done. Like, we all hung out and had a good time. But, like,
We didn't have anything to get done. We bled Ben's brakes and clutch. That was all we need to do. And then mount these.
Things I want to do on mine, but it's fine.
You know what? It's always about your fucking piece of shit
My shit's
SR,
always
eh?
fucking broken, dude.
Yeah, well then maybe you
Don't
shouldn't have
do
done that.
fucking
You did that
SRs.
to yourself,
Junk.
bro.
Garbage.
Holy fucking! Why does he look like a fucking eagle, man? Holy shit!
Cool, man.
Holy shit! Oh no, Ben looks like in Chitty Chitty Bang Bang, the Child Snatcher.
Oh man, my lip
You look like
tastes
the
weird
Child
now.
Snatcher, like that.
Yeah, my nose is clean.
Why stretch it out so much? The angle really stretches it.
Comment down below if you want some S14 side skirts. They fit really good.
They're really mint.
Yo, couple holes in them.
And people are gonna be like, oh, like sand them. How you sand
Bro.
this inch gap, dude?
Bro.
Comment down below if there's a good spot to get side skirts.
Navin style.
Anywhere but
Besides
Arrowworks.
Why don't you just find some OEM? Ask Andrew.
Are you hooded?
Comment below
If you're hooded, or if you're naked.
if you're fucking circed.
Yeah.
You're wearing a crew neck. You got the crew cut and your crew neck on there.
Are you a turtleneck or crew neck?
You an elephant trunk or a crew neck?
What if they're female?
I think it's the answer.
There's like 0.3%.
Don't they have a female one like that?
Then are you rocking curtains or not?
The boys will try to hit 10 million K up on that YouTube.